In this video, I'll show you how to connect the cartridges inside the color printer. So first you have to make sure you connect the wire. The power cable should be connected before you connect. And now you should remove all the packaging, and then there is a hook here. You can use it to open it. So once you open, you will see that there is some more packaging here, so you have to remove this. So all these things should be removed before you connect the cartridges. So this is the cartridge. So as you can see, this is the black and white cartridge and a colored cartridge. So I'm removing the cover for the colored one. You can see this is a tricolor cartridge 803. You have to remove this for connecting. Similarly, this is the black cartridge. Removing the cover for it. This is 803 black. So you have to remove this cover before connecting. So now you power on the printer. So you have to close it once, and once it stabilizes, you open it. Then you can see the cartridges where we have to place the cartridges. Those boxes come here. So now I am first putting the black one. So first you have to uncover it. So this tape has to be removed. So as you can see here, that there is black color and a colored color. So black one will go on the right side and the colored one will go on the left side. So first since I am putting a black one, so the head should go inside. You have to make sure, and then you put it, and it will be little tilted, and then you push. You will hear a pop sound. So this is fixed now. So similarly, the other one, you have to remove this cover from this, which basically saves the head, and then this will go on the left side. This is the colored one. The head will go in, and it is tilted, and then you have to push, and you will hear a pop sound, and then you close this, and now your printer is ready to print.